Hi everyone, I'm Alvira and I'm here with some of my friends. There is Mutia, Refki, Gilang, and Juludin. This time we will be analyzing a journal. The title is
Understanding the Impact of Human Capital on Radical and Incremental Innovation, the Role of Entrepreneurial Passion and Alertness.
The next one element of the journal is name of writer. It is contains all the names of the writers who initiated the journal. An example from the journal is Tayyib Fiqi, Muhammad Mohsin, Muhammad Adel Abid, Ali Noman Asrif, and Salia Anwar. The next element is abstract. The abstract serves as an explanation to help readers understand the contents of the journal briefly. The abstract section short version about 2050 words that summarize objectives, methods, results, and conclusions. When writing abstract, state the purpose, describe the methodology, and summarize key findings. Then, mention the contribution of your research, adhere to the word limit, and use clear language. An example from the journal is this abstract examines the impact of human capital on radical and incremental innovation in Pakistan. With entrepreneurship spirit and alertness as mediators, data from 3,082 entrepreneurs were analyzed using SPSS and AMOS. The results show that human capital significantly influences innovation, and entrepreneurship passion and alertness mediate this relationship, thereby adding to research on entrepreneurship in Pakistan.
The fourth element is introduction. Introduction is the initial part of the journal that discusses the general overview of the topic presented. Introduction explains the author reasons for writing this journal and also mentions the background of the problems discussed in the journal. Both of these things are then linked to the scientific theories that are relevant to the discussion of the journal. Introduction also contains hypotheses of the main problems from the journal. To write an effective introduction, you can write it clearly and structured, informative, interesting, and don't provide explanations that are too broad. Example from the journal. The introduction section discusses the importance of entrepreneurship and radical and incremental innovation for the economic growth of Pakistan, supported by human capital, passion, and alertness. This study focuses on the impact of human capital on innovation in Pakistan by considering entrepreneurial passion and alertness. The next element is literature review. Literature review is a section that contains the result of studies, report, research, and reviews literature that is relevant to the research topic. The purpose of a literature review is to describe the current state of research in the field related to the research topic and to explain the relationship between previous research and the research to be conducted. Example from the journal, this section discusses several theories such as human capital theory, human capital and radical innovation theory, human capital and incremental innovation theory, the mediating role of entrepreneurial passion theory, and the mediating role of entrepreneurial alertness theory.
The next element is research methodology. Research methodology refers to how research is conducted, including research design, sampling methods, data collection, and analysis techniques to ensure the reliability and validity of the research. In this journal, the study involved 382 entrepreneurs in Pakistan using a quantitative approach with a structured questionnaire. The purposive sampling techniques is used to select entrepreneurs from various sectors to gain diverse insights. Statistical tools such as SPSS and AMOS are used for data analysis, ensuring the reliability and validity of the questionnaire. Structural equation modeling (SEM) is used to test the relationship between various variables. And how about research results? The results of the study refer to the main findings of the data that have been analyzed. As we know from the journal, the main findings show that human capital consisting of skills, knowledge, and experience plays an important role in driving innovation. both radical major breakthroughs and incremental gradual change. Entrepreneurs with more human capital tend to produce innovation. In addition, passion and alertness also play an important role in increasing the impact of human capital on innovation. The higher the passion and vigilance of an entrepreneur, the greater the influence of human capital in encouraging innovation. Overall, human capital, passion, and vigilance are the main factors that affect the outcome of innovation.
The discussion section of a journal article is where the author interprets and explains the significance of the research findings. It's contextualized the findings within the existing body of the knowledge, highlighting any patterns, relationship, or generalizations that emerge from the data. The author will analyze whether the results support or contradict with previous research and provide possible explanations for any discrepancies. For example, in the first journal, the author highlights 6 main findings from its studies. The author also provides a comparison from each findings with other author research. The conclusion section of a journal article serves as a summary of the entire study, encapsulating the key findings and their overall significance. It's an overview of the research objective and highlight the most important results obtained. Unlike the discussion section, the conclusion avoids delving into intricate details or nuanced interpretations. Instead, it offers a clear and straightforward synthesis of the main points. The goal is to provide the reader with easier understanding of what this study accomplished and why it matters. The conclusion will also offer implication and highlight the limitation of the study and may suggest direction for future research, leaving the reader with a final impression of the study contributions to the field and its potential impact on future research.
So that's all for our analysis of the journal elements. We hope that our presentation has been informative and easy to understand. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.